This is grade 6 in Dreams, and I'm going to play the left hand from bar 29 really slowly. This is the key change, and you have to do lots of big sweeping hingy movements, making semicircles with your hand and your arm here, because some of these are quite big stretches, so I'm going to play it really slowly.